Today, let's see how to change the bandpass filter after a signal has been recorded. Here we have a test example where the patient was blinking and wincing during recording. This is also known as biological noise. Although we can see clear A and B waves, the spread of these waveforms makes it difficult to interpret. Our Espion version 7 software has a feature for minimizing and removing this type of noise. It's called the bandpass filter. Let's take a look at these options by clicking on Analysis to open the Analysis tab of the pop-out menu. These are the current filter frequencies, and here are some preset filters. There are a few options here which include the ISEF standard filter and the oscillatory potentials filter. In this example, I'll use manual mode. This drifting that we see is likely caused by slow eye movements. To correct for that, we can drag and adjust the low frequency slider, and now we have a graph without any biological noise. If you'd like, you can always overlay the original waveform by clicking on Overlay Original, or you can click on Reset Original to start from scratch. Now let's summarize how to use the bandpass filter to clean up your recordings. After recording, you may identify biological noise that makes your recording more difficult to interpret. Open the Analysis tab and select the bandpass filter. You can pick a preset filter or use manual mode. Adjust the low frequency setting to reduce drift. Click Overlay Original so you can compare the filtered waveforms with the original version. And finally, if you need to, use Reset Original to undo your changes. That's it. Your recording should now be much cleaner.